Hi everyone, Katie Iverson here from I Am Mama, and I just wanted to share a quick little hack for the day. So my daughter has these really cute boots that we got at Old Navy, and they're really cute and they matched her outfit today and we wanted to wear them, but she slips and slides everywhere because the treads really aren't that deep. So what I did was I took my hot glue gun right here, and I made my own treads. So as you can see, I put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 treads on that one. And then that one needs to dry. This one's pretty much dry. Made my own treads on that one too. So hopefully this will decrease her slipping and falling. And then she can wear her cute shoes to school. So I just hope you guys have a great day and wanted to share a quick hack with you. Have a great Thursday and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.